Well, everybody, that's been a video showing how to assemble our Redline RE26 KD Sandblast cabinet, as well as a little demonstration. I took this panel off of Project Redline, our 67 Nova build, and you can see I cleaned it right down to the bare metal with this little blaster. Very handy little tool. I want to stress that if you're going to use one of these things inside your shop like I was just using it, make sure you wear a respirator. Have a look at the exhaust exit on the back of this thing. That's what you're breathing if you're not wearing one of these masks. It's not a bad idea to either get yourself a filtered vacuum system from us and connect it here, which would require a little bit of custom work, or you can also, I see a lot of folks that connect shop vacs to this little port. If you're going to use a shop vac, make sure that that thing exhausts to the outside so that you're not breathing any of that nasty, super dusty air. One thing that I did learn on this cabinet that I just want to share with you guys is a little tip. I first was running my sand pickup tube out around my grate, and I found that made it kink to where it had trouble picking up the media. So I pulled it loose in my gun, ran it up through the grate so it didn't kink. Worked way better. I'm going to put a link down below in the description where you can get one of these on our website, redlinestands.com. If you found this video helpful, I'd ask that you click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from us, click the subscribe. Since this cabinet is now used and we cannot sell it as new, we're going to give it away. If you want to enter for the drawing to get this cabinet for free shipped to you, all you got to do, go to Google, type in Redline Engineering LLC. Our business will pop up. Leave us a Google review. On the first business day of 2020, we're going to pick somebody who wrote us a review after seeing this video, and we're going to send them this cabinet for free. I hope you guys are finding these videos helpful. It's a lot of trouble to make these videos, so I really appreciate when you guys appreciate the videos that I'm pushing out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.